Welcome back. Today, the world of coins and currency is filled with fascinating stories. Some coins are valuable due to their rarity, others have intriguing histories, and some contain hidden minting errors that make them worth a fortune. Today, we will dive deep into the story of the 1994 US dime, a coin that may seem ordinary at first glance, but has some surprising aspects. Get ready for an amazing and fun-filled journey into the world of this little coin. The 1994 US dime is part of the Roosevelt dime series, which has been in circulation since 1946. Here are some quick facts about it. Denomination: 10 cents dime. Year of minting: 1994. Composition: 91.67% copper, 8.33% nickel. Weight: 2.27 grams. Diameter: 17.91 millimeters. John R. Sinek, P. D. or S. Philadelphia, Denver, or San Francisco mints. This dime features a portrait of President Franklin D. Roosevelt on the obverse front, and a torch, an olive branch, and an oak branch on the reverse back, symbolizing liberty, peace, and strength. The mintage and geography of the 1994 dime. The 1994 Roosevelt dime was minted in 3 major U.S. mint facilities. Philadelphia Mint, P. Mint Mark. Over 1.4 billion dimes were produced here. Denver Mint, D. Mint Mark. Another 1.2 billion dimes were struck in Denver. San Francisco Mint, S. Mint Mark. These were special proof coins meant for collectors, with a production of around 2.5 million. Due to such high production numbers, the 1994 dime is not particularly rare. However, certain variations and errors make some pieces extremely valuable. The value of the 1994 dime. Since billions of these dimes were minted, most of them are only worth their face value, 10 cents. However, collectors look for high-grade versions or error coins, which can be worth much more. If the dime has been used in daily transactions, it is generally worth 10 cents. 2. Uncirculated coins, mint state, MS condition. MS 65 condition, $2 to $5. MS 67 condition, $10 to $20. MS 68 condition, $50 to $150, very rare. Proof coins from San Francisco Mint, S. Mint Mark. A proof 1994 S dime in perfect PR 70 deep cameo, DCM, condition can be worth $20 to $50. The real treasure. If the design is misaligned, the coin can be worth $50 to $500. Missing clad layer, a 1994 dime, missing its nickel coating, exposing its copper core, could sell for $100 to $300. A slight doubling in the letters or numbers can make the coin worth $50 to $200. Broad strike error. If the coin was struck without the retaining collar, making it slightly larger than usual, it could fetch $100 or more. Why is Roosevelt on the dime? After President Franklin D. Roosevelt's death in 1945, he was honored on the dime due to his efforts in the fight against polio. He founded the March of Dimes, a program dedicated to eradicating polio in the U.S. The U.S. Mint spends only about 4 cents to produce a single dime. That means the government still profits when producing these coins. A lucky dime myth. Some people believe that carrying a 1994 dime, or any dime, brings good luck. Pilots and military personnel have been known to keep a dime in their pockets as a symbol of protection. A rare 1994 dime found in a coin roll. In 2019, a collector found a 1994 dime with a major mint error, a double strike, inside a regular bankroll. That coin later sold for over $300. This proves that rare coins are still out there, waiting to be discovered. How to check if you have a valuable 1994 dime. It looks shiny and new. It might be worth grading. Any missing details, off-center strikes, or unusual marks could increase its value. Sometimes errors are small and hard to see with the naked eye. Proof coins with the S. Mint mark are more valuable. A genuine 1994 dime should weigh 2.27 grams. If it's much lighter or heavier, it could be a mint error. For most people, the 1994 dime is just another small coin in their pocket. But for collectors, certain versions, especially mint era dimes, can be worth hundreds of dollars. If you love coin collecting, it's always a good idea to check your change carefully. You never know, you might be carrying a hidden treasure in your pocket. Would you check your pocket now? Who knows? Maybe you have a rare 1994 dime waiting to make you rich.